This reflection is inspired by Buddhist teachings, shared at the temple, and it's offered for lay people for ordinary life. Buddhism on the power of loving kindness, Metta. In Buddhism, loving kindness meditation is called Metta Bhavana. Metta means unconditional goodwill, not romance, not attachment, not liking someone, but the sincere wish, may you be safe, may you be happy, may you be free from suffering. The Buddha taught that this simple mental quality has extraordinary power. In the Metta Sutta, the Buddha describes loving kindness as something that should be radiated in all directions. Just as a mother would protect her only child at the risk of her own life, even so let one cultivate a boundless heart towards other beings. This is radical, because loving kindness in Buddhism is not sentimental, it is strength. What does Metta actually do? From a Buddhist perspective, Metta transforms the mind in three powerful ways. It weakens anger and ill will. Hatred cannot coexist with genuine loving kindness. When we repeatedly cultivate the wish for others to be well, the mental habit of hostility begins to dissolve. Not because we suppress it, but because we will replace it. The Buddha said that anger burns the one who holds it. Metta calls the fire. It purifies intention. In Buddhism, intention shapes our future experience. When we repeatedly cultivate thoughts of goodwill, we are training the mind in wholesome karma. Over time, this changes our speech, our posture, our tone, even our presence. People feel safe around someone who practices metta. It removes fear. According to the teachings, one who cultivates loving kindness deeply sleeps easily, wakes peacefully, is not easily disturbed by bad dreams, is protected by devas, is loved by human and non-human beings. Whether you interpret that literally or psychologically, the point is clear. A mind free from hostility becomes fearless, because fear and aggression are deeply linked. How is it practiced? Very simply. You begin with yourself. May I be safe. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. Then extend outward. A loved one, a neutral person, a difficult person, all beings everywhere. The practice is gradual. At first it may feel mechanical, but that's okay. Buddhism teaches that repetition shapes the mind, just like lifting weights shapes the body. Why is this so powerful? Because the world is reactive. Metta breaks reactivity. When someone insults you, you don't have to respond with more aggression. When someone hurts you, you don't have to perpetuate the cycle. Loving kindness is not weakness, it is disciplined strength. It takes far more power to radiate goodwill than to lash out. A boundless heart. The Buddha described loving kindness as boundless, without hostility, without ill will, extended to all directions, north, south, east, west, above, below, no exclusions. This is not naive. It does not mean allowing abuse. It means refusing to poison your mind. Closing reflection. In a world driven by division, anger, and speed, loving kindness meditation is revolutionary. Not because it changes the world overnight, but because it changes the quality of your mind. And when the mind changes, speech changes, action changes, relationships change. and slowly the world around you will start to shift. Thank you for listening. We hope you've enjoyed this reflection. Please subscribe for more wisdom.